Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Wurundjeri and Bunurong people, and pay our respects to Indigenous people, past, present and emerging.
We also would like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here with us today.
We will now sing the national anthem and all demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect. When we sing the anthem with pride and stand up straight with our hands to our sides like this, or just in front like this.
When we finish singing, we sit down quietly and listen for what is coming up next.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Hi everyone, Miss Herring here. Welcome to another Cranbourne East Primary School online assembly. This week we began our week with our parent-teacher interviews. Holding our parent-teacher interviews and having our parents come on site was great considering we were unable to do this last year. Having our parent-teacher interviews at the start of the year enabled our teachers and parents to build school-to-home connections, which we know are vital for all students' educational outcomes. I'm very excited for this afternoon as we will be having our 2021 Colour Explosion Fundraiser Fun Run. Now this event we were unable to have last year due to the restrictions, so it is wonderful that we're able to provide the opportunity for our students this year. I know there have been many students who have been fundraising for this event. Whether you're fundraising or not, we hope you have a fantastic time on the day. Any funds raised will go towards the school and providing additional resources to the students here at Cranbourne East Primary School. A huge thank you to Mrs. Wrigley and Ros Coles who have supported the activity. On Thursday and Friday of next week, we will have our whole school photos. On this day, please make sure, like every day, that you wear your full Cranbourne East Primary School uniform and bring that big smile. Have a wonderful day and enjoy the weekend. Bye.
Years 3 to 6 Athletics Day was a big success. Both days were fantastic and students were outstanding and put in great effort. Ruffy House took the lead in 3s and 4s athletics on the day. Lyle had an overall lead of 5s and 6s on the day, with very close scores across all the house colours. Donnelly sneaking in for the win overall by 140 points. Well done everyone for a successful 2021 Athletics Day.
Hi, my name's Natalie
And my name's Colleen.
and we have a very exciting prize draw. So names have been placed in this bag for all students whose parents have paid their fees in full by the 12th of February 2021. We do apologise that this draw has been delayed due to our recent lockdown. So our very first lucky first prize winner goes to Congratulations, Biddy in 6R, you have won an Apple iPad mini to the value of $599. Congratulations. Our second prize winner goes to Karen in 5B. Congratulations, Karen. You've won a $150 Rebel Sports gift card. And finally, our lucky third prize winner goes to Sandaki in 5O. Congratulations, Sandaki. You've won a $75 Anaconda gift voucher.